CompXM Guide Round 4, 2025 to 2026. Hello and welcome back to the CompXM 2023 guide. In this video, I'll walk you through a detailed strategy to win CompXM across all 4 rounds. CompXM is the final exam that follows your 8-round capstone simulation. While capstone prepares you through team play and long-term planning, CompXM tests your individual performance under time pressure, usually across 4 decision rounds and 5 evaluation questions per round. In this video, I'll show you a step-by-step approach to round 4, building on the previous 3 rounds. We'll focus on key modules, R&AMP winking and laughing, marketing, production, finance, and TQM, while maintaining a broad differentiation strategy. Repeat button. Quick recap of previous rounds before diving into round 4. Let's quickly recap where we are. In round 1, we added 2 new products in the Nano and Elite segments. We maintained high investment in marketing, launched differentiated products, and optimized capacity and automation early. After 3 rounds, our company now has the highest sales, net profit, contribution margin, and stock price, significantly outperforming all competitors. Now, let's finish strong with round 4. Test tube R&AMP winking and laughing. Update. Based on segment drift in round 4, we continue to pursue our broad differentiation strategy, meaning we keep products aligned with the changing customer preferences. Open the Industry Condition Report, ICR, for your unique CompXM version. This is very important because each CompXM exam is different from student to student. Locate the drift values for performance and size in Table 3 of the ICR. Use those values to calculate the ideal position for each product in round 4. Update your product specs accordingly in the R&AMP winking and laughing module. White heavy checkmark. Pro tip: do not simply copy numbers from someone else or another version. Your CompXM exam is unique. Money with Wings. Marketing, pricing, promotion, and sales forecast. Small blue diamond pricing strategy. Stick with the pricing ranges you've been using, but slightly reduce prices by 50 cents per product to stay competitive. Example pricing guideline: traditional, $22 low end, $30 high end, $38 elite/nano, $42. Lowering the price slightly helps secure market share in the final round. Small blue diamond promotion and AMP sales budget. You can now reduce your promotion and sales budget for existing products, especially if they have 100% customer awareness and accessibility. Drop promo/sales budget to around $1,400 per product. For newer products, keep higher levels, $2,000, to maintain visibility. Small blue diamond sales forecasting. This part is critical for accurate production planning. Open the Courier report from round 3. Identify the actual sales for each product last round. Use our free Excel tool to forecast round 4 sales. Formula: forecast sales equals last round sales times 1 plus segment growth rate plus 5% buffer. White heavy checkmark. Always add 5% extra to avoid stockouts due to unexpected demand increases. Segment growth rates usually range from 11% to 20%, as stated in the ICR. Factory production. Align with forecast in the production module. You'll now schedule production based on your forecast. Production required equals forecast sales. Inventory available plus 5% safety stock. Since we've already optimized capacity and automation in earlier rounds, no need to purchase new capacity this round. No need to adjust automation further. Our production system is stable with full automation for low-end and traditional moderate automation for high-end and elite. Sufficient capacity for all 6 products. White heavy checkmark. This stability lets you reduce costs and maintain high margins. Receipt finance, buyback, dividends and AMP loans in round 4. Maximize shareholder value by making smart financial decisions. Small blue diamond buyback stock. Use available cash to buy back shares. This increases your stock price and EPS, earnings per share. Small blue diamond dividends. Issue a $10 dividend per share. It improves stock value and boosts investor confidence. Small blue diamond loan management. Repay $15 million of long-term debt. This improves your credit rating and lowers interest costs. You'll see the results immediately. Your stock price will rise significantly, and your financial structure will strengthen. Gear TQM, final investments. We continue with our TQM, Total Quality Management, strategy. In Round 4, invest $1,000 per initiative across all 10 initiatives, total equals $10,000. If your budget is tight, prioritize initiatives that reduce R&D winking and laughing cycle time, improve production efficiency, increase customer satisfaction. Over 4 rounds, this adds up to $40,000 total investment, which maximizes TQM benefits. TQM drives higher customer demand, lower material/labor costs, increased contribution margins. Chart increasing. Analyzing estimated results after submitting all decisions. Check your pro forma reports. Here's what you want to see: contribution margin, NGT, 50% net profit, NGT, 20% stock price, highest in your industry. Earnings per share, EPS, strong growth over all rounds. Return on equity, ROE, significantly outperforming competitors. If you follow the strategy from rounds 1 to 3 and execute round 4 correctly, white heavy checkmark, you will likely have top sales and profit in all 4 rounds. Stock price 2 times higher than other competitors. Leading performance in all 5 CompXM evaluation areas. Brain final thoughts. Let's recap the key priorities for round 4. 1. Update R&D winking and laughing using drift rates from ICR. 2. Set competitive prices by slightly reducing from round 3. 3. Lower marketing budget for mature products with 100% awareness. 4. Use Courier Report plus Excel tool to forecast sales. 5. Schedule production accurately, avoid overproduction. 6. Maintain automation and capacity, no need for expansion. 7. Repay loans, buy back stock, issue $10 dividend. 8. Invest final $10,000 in TQM initiatives. 9. Review pro forma to ensure profit, margin, stock price are peaking. Speech balloon. Need help? If you have questions or need one-on-one support for CompXM, email behelp2002@gmail.com. You can also check the detailed guide and templates on our blog, Globe with Meridians, https://compxmguide2022.blogspot.com. We also offer free Excel tools for sales forecasting, sample answers for CompXM questions, 1-hour coaching sessions by request. Thank you for watching. I hope this video gives you the clarity and confidence to finish CompXM with top results, even 999 out of 1000. Good luck, and I'll see you in the next simulation victory.